Imagine a world where robots effortlessly handle your daily chores. From vacuuming the floors to dusting the shelves, these intelligent machines are designed to make your life easier. Picture this. You wake up to a clean kitchen, your laundry folded neatly, and your home in perfect order. No more rushing around in the morning to get things done. The dishwasher is already humming its tune, having cleaned the dishes from last night's dinner while you slept. It's like having an invisible helping hand. This futuristic vision, once confined to science fiction, is steadily becoming our reality. Homes are transforming into smart environments where technology anticipates our needs. The advancement of robotics and artificial intelligence is ushering in a new era of home automation, where every device is interconnected and responsive. Intelligent machines seamlessly integrate into our lives, learning our routines and preferences to provide a personalized experience. They take over mundane tasks, freeing us to focus on more fulfilling aspects of our day. Imagine coming home to a house that's already been cleaned and organized. Gone are the days of spending precious weekends tackling endless chores. Instead, you can spend quality time with your loved ones. The future promises a world where intelligent machines collaborate with us in our homes, enhancing our comfort and convenience in ways we never thought possible. Imagine a home that adjusts the lighting, temperature, and even the music to suit your mood, all without you lifting a finger. It's a future where technology simplifies daily life, making every task easier and more efficient. This gives us the gift of time for family, passions, and the pursuit of what truly matters. Welcome to the home of tomorrow. At the forefront of this home automation revolution stands Neo Gamma, a cutting-edge humanoid robot designed to be the ultimate home assistant. Developed by 1X, a pioneering company in the field of robotics, Neo Gamma represents a significant leap forward in our quest to create robots that can truly understand and navigate the complexities of human environments. Unlike single-purpose robots like robotic vacuums, Neo Gamma is designed for versatility. What sets Neo Gamma apart is its human-like design and capabilities. This isn't just a cold metallic machine. Neo Gamma is built to blend seamlessly into our homes. Its movements are strikingly human, from the way it walks to the way it manipulates objects. This natural fluidity is no accident. Neo Gamma's design incorporates advanced motion capture technology, allowing it to mimic human actions with remarkable accuracy. Neo Gamma is not just a pretty face, it's a marvel of modern engineering and artificial intelligence. It's a powerhouse of advanced technology, designed to make everyday life easier and more efficient. Its creators at 1X have equipped it with an array of features that allow it to excel at a variety of household tasks, making it an indispensable part of any modern home. Need help with the laundry? Neo Gamma can sort, load, and fold with care, ensuring that your clothes are handled gently and efficiently. Dishes piling up? Neo Gamma can load the dishwasher and put everything away, ensuring your kitchen sparkles. It takes the hassle out of daily chores, giving you more time to relax. One of Neo Gamma's most impressive features is its ability to handle objects with dexterity. This means it can manage delicate items as well as heavier objects with ease. Whether it's grasping a delicate glass or lifting a heavy laundry basket, Neo Gamma navigates its surroundings with precision and care. It adapts to different tasks seamlessly. This dexterity is made possible by its advanced sensors and algorithms, which allow it to perceive its environment in 3 dimensions and adjust its grip accordingly. These technologies work together to ensure that Neo Gamma can handle a wide range of tasks. This means you can trust Neo Gamma to handle your belongings with the same care you would. It's like having an extra pair of hands that are always ready to help, making your life simpler and more convenient. Section 4. A helping hand, not a replacement. The prospect of having a robot like Neo Gamma in our homes might raise questions about the future of human work and the potential for job displacement. It's a valid concern, especially in an era where automation is rapidly advancing. People often worry that robots will take over jobs, leaving humans with fewer opportunities. However, this perspective overlooks the potential benefits and the new opportunities that such technology can create. However, it's important to view Neo Gamma not as a replacement for human interaction, but as a valuable tool that complements our capabilities. Neo Gamma is designed to work alongside us, enhancing our productivity and efficiency. It can handle tasks that are repetitive or physically demanding, allowing us to focus on more complex and creative endeavors. Just as washing machines and dishwashers revolutionized housework in the past, Neo Gamma aims to elevate our lives by taking over repetitive and time-consuming tasks. These innovations didn't eliminate the need for human effort, they transformed it, making our lives easier and more convenient. Gamma follows in this tradition, offering a new level of assistance in our daily routines. This collaboration between humans and robots allows us to reclaim our time and focus on activities that bring us joy and fulfillment. Imagine the possibilities when mundane chores no longer consume our days. We can invest more time in our relationships, hobbies, and personal growth. Imagine having more time to spend with loved ones, pursue hobbies, learn new skills, or even explore new interests that you never had time for before. The presence of Gamma in our homes can open up a world of possibilities. Or simply relax and recharge. The mental and physical benefits of having more downtime cannot be overstated. It allows us to be more present and engaged in our lives. Gamma empowers us to live more fulfilling lives by freeing us from the constraints of mundane chores. It's not just about efficiency, it's about enhancing our quality of life and enabling us to focus on what truly matters. Section 5. The future of home automation, a collaborative era. Gamma's arrival signals a pivotal moment in the evolution of home automation. We are transitioning from a phase of single-purpose gadgets to an era of intelligent, versatile robots that can genuinely understand and respond to our needs. This shift towards collaborative robots is poised to transform our relationship with technology in profound ways. Imagine a future where robots like Gamma become as commonplace as smartphones are today. These robotic companions will seamlessly integrate into our daily routines, assisting us with a multitude of tasks and enhancing our overall quality of life. As technology continues to advance, we can expect even more sophisticated robots to emerge, each generation pushing the boundaries of what's possible in home automation. Section 6. Gamma, ushering in a new domestic landscape. The impact of Gamma extends beyond mere convenience. It has the potential to reshape the very fabric of our homes and family dynamics. By taking over chores, Gamma can help to create a more equitable division of labor within households, freeing up time for all members to pursue their interests and passions. This shift in domestic responsibility can foster a greater sense of balance and shared responsibility within families, allowing everyone to contribute and thrive in their own unique ways. Furthermore, Gamma's presence can provide valuable assistance to the elderly or those with disabilities, enabling them to maintain their independence and quality of life. Section 7. The promise of time, well saved. The true measure of Gamma's success lies not just in its technological prowess but in its ability to enrich our lives. By liberating us from the drudgery of chores, Gamma offers us the invaluable gift of time. Time to reconnect with ourselves, our loved ones, and the world around us. In a world where time is our most precious commodity, Gamma emerges as a beacon of progress, a testament to our capacity to innovate and create technologies that serve and enhance our humanity. As we stand on the cusp of this exciting new era of home automation, it's clear that robots like Gamma have the potential to revolutionize not just the way we live in our homes, but the way we live our lives.